Copilot versus ChatGPT comparison. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be comparing ChatGPT with Copilot. So let's get into it. So over here, as you can see, I have both of them opened up and I was just comparing both of these all together, but you know, for this video. And over here, the main difference that I can see just from my initial use of these is that Copilot can generate images, whereas ChatGPT can. As you can see over here in Copilot, we can see we have a bunch of different options. We have designer, vacation planner, cooking assistant, and fitness trainer as well. So these are some of the GPTs, some of the models that Copilot uses in order to make it better. Whereas ChatGPT, on the other hand, doesn't really have a lot of stuff going on over here. It is mostly used to, create text. It's mostly text based. You ask ChatGPT some questions and then it will answer it for you. It'll tell you what to do, but it won't show you exactly what it can do. So, for example, in Copilot over here, you can compose songs, you can create, imagery, you can create a bunch of different options as well. So, as you can see over here, and over here, you can choose whether you want it to be more creative, more balanced, or more precise. It depends on you. There's also the pro version of it as well. Same with ChatGPT. So right now it's 3.5, but if I want to use ChatGPT 4, it's going to cost me around $20 per month. And for Copilot as well, it's gonna cost me $20 per month. So price wise, they're both the same, but I would say that Copilot is a bit more fun to use. Not only integrated with Microsoft, it's also integrated within your Windows as well. So as you can see, it opens up right here, and it's just fun to use. In my opinion, they're both really good software. You can choose whichever one you want. They're both really good tools. They're both really good AI models, and you can use whichever one you want. But I would just say that Copilot is a bit for more fun to use because of, it has a bunch more capabilities. You can create songs with it, you can create AI images with it, bunch of cool stuff. And yeah, ChatGPT is also fun, but I would say that, for the most part, Copilot has it. So yeah, those were the main differences that I could see within ChatGPT. You can go ahead and compare both of them. You can ask them different prompts and it can show you. Also, another thing, ChatGPT can't show you current data. For example, if I ask it, what is the weather right now? It won't have access to real-time data because, it's backed up to 2020. You can ask it things all the way back to 2020, but anything after 2020, it won't be able to give you an answer. At least that was the case with ChatGPT 3. I don't know about 3.5. Maybe it can. But if I ask that for Copilot, ask the exact same question, it's showing me the answer right here. So yeah, as you can see, these were the difference. It has a bit more capabilities than ChatGPT 3.5. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So until next time, take care and goodbye.